So over the last 3 years we've been really fortunate to be a part of the interagency Kapa Haka competition that was founded by our whānau from Tūho Mai Te Kōhau Health. And so we've just been a part of the kaupapa over the last 3 years. Just an opportunity for all agencies here in Waikato to get together, kia whakakotahi ai. We've been practicing for about 6 months, and so the team consists of all the different staff here at Raukura Hauora Tainui. So we have 25 kaimahi here, 20 of them of which are part of our hapori services, and we also have whānau from our clinical that are a part of it. It's been really wonderful seeing the improvements and everybody committed to the kaupapa. We're asking people to come out of their whānau time, and so we just continue to uphold the tikanga and the legacy of our tupuna, and ensure that our Māoritanga and our tino rangatiratanga remains here in Raukura Hauora Tainui. We've got a number of waiata. Our first waiata that we're doing is a mihi to our Pasifika whānau, so it's a Tongan waiata. Then we have our waiata tira, which is an acknowledgement to our late board member, Maxine Tūwhāngai. And we also have our other waiata that talks about Raukura Hauora Tainui. Majority of the waiata that we have all pertain to Raukura Hauora Tainui.